Hey, Traders, what's up? Welcome to episode 870. Thanks for being here. I'm here late. Just kind of got home, been out, went bowling and stuff. It was fun. Had a good time. And Bitcoin's pumping, altcoins are pumping. And I didn't stream today, man, just trying to take off, just trying to keep myself, just away for a little bit from just charts and just work and all that. But, going out was good, really good. So 99.36, 99.48. What is that, man? What is that 99.48, man? I mean, you know what it is? Hey, engulfing candle? What? Sorry, man. I'm like getting home. I haven't really looked at stuff too much. I did look at stuff today before I left and went out. But look, man. Here we are again. Cinco de Mayo. I look like I'm 12 years old. We all know this is very true. Who is this guy? So it'd be nice to break above that and close. And oh, here's the weekly, man. Still okay, I think. Look at this weekly candle, chat. What the F is this? Chat, what is this? This is a textbook, actually. Pattern. So I want to hear what you think. What pattern? It's one answer. It's right or wrong. There is no, hugging contest. All right. So what is this? Just tell me the answer. It's just trivia, the thing we do. Just keep you on the balls of your feet. Okay, man. I don't know. I'm kind of lit and we're doing it. So just deal with it. If it closes tomorrow as this, what is it? That's it. Anyone answering for real? The water coin. Oh, all in crash. Yeah, that's it. Dude, I hate this 20-second delay. If it was on Twitch, man, it's just like, Brr. What? What, dude? Y'all are literally answering shooting star, dragonfly, pin bar, head and shoulder. Y'all literally answering everything but the right answer. There it is. Poker Wookie. Poker Wookie. Think you're the first person, unless I'm mistaken. Long-legged doji. That is it. Long-legged doji. Crazy wicks on both sides. Indecision. Yeah, but it's a type of doji, right? So there's like gravestone dojis. There are dragonfly dojis. There's just the regular doji. And then there is the long-legged doji. And long-legged dojis, are thought to, be like where there's lots of volatility coming. Like that's what it kind of tries to imply. There's just huge amounts of selling and buying on both sides. Anyway, so and that's the weekly, 9,600, really important. You see it? And here. So you're just in this range. And that's a pretty nice comeback, man. It was terrible, right? I mean, like 92.80. All right, so now you just should know, right? Why am I live? You got to be live for a reason, man. To let everyone know about 99.50. To just reiterate, remember, this is where we are now. Okay, so when, I'm sorry, this should be in log scale. That's like, there needs to be a reason to go live and stuff. And it's good for you to see where we are on a significant time scale. And then, like 4 hour. Oh, dude, is this a flag? A bear flag? It doesn't look like much of a bear flag. I mean, just so much time has gone by and it really respected 1, 2, and 3 really well, didn't it? So it's respecting things, man. Up sloping supports, overhead, historical resistances on the 4 hour and the daily and the freaking weekly. The divergence from the low to the slightly lower low has turned into higher prices. Not bad, right? On both oscillators. Okay, cool. You just never know, but hey, man, that was implying that this was kind of like what could happen. And if you were just investigating or looking at altcoins today, man, you can talk about stupid amount of dragons. There were patterns, man, on the 4 hour. There were like bullish potential trade setup ideas all across the market on the altcoins. But it's like, you know, it would they would all fail if Bitcoin dumped. So I guess we can get into that a little bit. That's like another reason why I wanted to go live, is just to go into like some of these assets.
BTC doing things.
What's up, Miss Shab, man? Thanks for the 10. Kings, dude. Happy you're here. It's late. I know. It's the weekend. So, you know, and we're at critical resistance, critical areas. Play the song. Thanks, man. So, we could definitely just look at... Dude, there's so many, man. I'm trying to... Okay, so, like... Here's one, right? This is Dash. Look at Dash on the 4 hour. Range-bound asset since it started, you know. It really broke into that first time, like January 14th. Just up and down. And so something happened, though. Look, man, is this not a dragon to you? Breaking out of the dragon? So I was posting this in the Patreon chat. It's like the unofficial setups. Because it's just like, dude, these just need to be noted. Because, like, they could be trades. And it could all fail, too. If Bitcoin just starts dumping again, man, of course. But hey, man, what kind of trend you in? I mean, you're kind of in a bullish trend. The impulse set the tone for the range. So a bullish pattern and a kind of bullish range, you know, that's kind of good, right? You know what I'm saying? And then look, the divergence on the oscillators, not bad, man. Well, I can't even hear anything. Hold on a second. Do we sound check? Can y'all hear anything either? I don't know, man. I'm kind of lit. But, dude, this is pretty lit, too. Okay? What happened to my beard, man? Oh, my God. Oh, my God, man. XABCD. Yeah, well, what is a dragon? A dragon is an XABC, and you're playing C to the D. That's what that is, dude. The dragon. I mean, you can draw it too. Like, you can use the tool or whatever. I mean, it's not really... I just kind of do it like this. It's not necessary, but it's just kind of like... You can kind of see. That's a dragon. And so you're playing that last wave up. If the divergence is there, if the trend's there, if it's bullish and a bullish trend, hey, man. Could be Kangs. So that's one. Okay. Well, how's Monero faring? You know, because I was looking at this earlier today. It's like, man, this is a falling wedge or something, dude. Oh, sweet mother of Jesus. Are you kidding me, man? Not bad, dude. So we've had a breakout of some sort on Monero. We'll see what happens. Bitcoin's going to call the shots here. Not Monero. Not XRP. Not Litecoin. I mean, maybe Litecoin, but really, definitely Bitcoin. I just say that because a lot of people have seen like Litecoin, you know, sometimes moves to the upside before Bitcoin, but it's most of the time not. I don't know, man. It's just like people have theories, conspiracy Litecoin theories. So great, dude. Great weekend, extravagant pattern. The falling wedge. What other ones, man? Sorry, dude. This is just too fun because this was a fun weekend of just kind of just hanging out. Engine. All right, range bound. I mean, look, this support here, don't even look. You see where it held, right? This is like a daily support or something stupid. Yeah, look. Resistance right there. Support right here. Resistance right here. Okay, that's what that is. So just go on the 4 hour. Kind of a little bit of a range. And so you're breaking the upside. That's what is this? Chad, can you tell me? Or, you know, you might be lit like me, but maybe you could tell me what pattern this is? What harmonic? Should be easy. XRP calling the shots, man. Yeah, dude. That'd be a dragon on bat too. Oh my god. Well, we're getting too far ahead of ourselves here, Crypto Lynn. All right, we're looking at these coins. There are multiple coins. We'll get to bat. I got a bone to pick with bat in a good way. Because yeah, it was like a double bottom slash stay at home king. Bruh. Let's go, dude.
Stay _ at _ home _ king tip $24.83. Is this real? Hope you had a good day, man. 0.00251695 BTC.
Stay at home gangs. It's yet to be known if this is real. I mean, getting above 99.60 on Bitcoin would be really good, and to close the week above it would be, oh my god, you know, like 8,200 Bitcoin did. If it closes above 99.60, it's an identical situation to what Bitcoin did just you know, earlier in 2020, when it, like, on the weekly broke out above, like man, let's just go to it real quick. Come back to engine. Not the weekly. So it's just like right here, January 13th, you broke out. Then you back tested 8,200, right? The candle close area, the traders settled up right that week, and the wick, right? It closed above both. The whole, like, resistance zone, right? That's incredible. And then the next week engulfed in break, hook, and go confirmation, strongest, you know, confirmation form that exists, right? Pattern. Anyway, so another follow through candle, indecision, more indecision. But if you can freaking close.
Real is in the mind of the beholder.
Yeah, dude, man. Yeah, man.
Is that a joint?
Thanks, Mitch, for the 5s. Thank you, dude. So, you know, what would be amazing is breaking above 99.48, closing above it. That's serious seller rejection right there. I mean, the wave might not be over, you know, where it could continue on. But eventually, man, you gotta break. Bitcoin does really have to break above 10,239 and then 10,400, because you know what's happening, right? Bitcoin has been making consecutive lower highs since, like, Valentine's Day, or the 15th, like after Valentine's Day. You know, at least on the 4 hour. You can't really tell so much on the weekly, daily, but yeah, it needs to eventually make higher highs. Which we know kind of like that descending, broadening wedge. I mean, stupid wick. So that's like up at like 10,174. And yeah, Frantic Rock like pointed out the, you know, if it's real life, stay at home kanks, if it is real life, this would be what is considered a partial decline. And a partial decline that, you know, these things occur where the asset will hit the supply line. It kind of created it and then sold off, and it failed to hit the bottom after hitting the top. And then if it runs up, if the asset's to run up and hit the supply line after making the partial decline where it did not hit the previous pattern, if it touches the supply line, there's a 70% chance on traditional markets that it would break out to the upside. It would break out. So you're not there yet. And this is crypto. So you gotta understand, like, where the research was done is not here. But, you know, crypto definitely respects the TA when there's enough liquidity in the assets. Okay. You know that if you've been here. What's up, JS? Yeah, man. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, man. 5 billion injected into the market cap veins. Way more than that. count China. I mean, yeah, we're not making higher highs yet, and we're not making higher lows yet. So that has to happen. Otherwise, we could just continue down in this little pullback or whatever, right? So I guess what you would need to do is just eventually, wherever this ends up, it can break here or not. Eventually, it needs to make a higher low than probably like 96.28. It could come back to back test it too. So like now the thing is like you got to break 99.50, but you don't want to fall below 9600, 96.50. Okay, that's like where you need to be in terms of clarity and understanding what Bitcoin's doing right now. Okay, so friggin' engine, man. High or low? It's a cipher, dude. I think someone answered. Yeah, lost your gun. Said cipher. Sweet. Anyway, so do y'all remember me when I didn't have a beard? And how old do I look without a beard? Seriously. Excuse me. My God. I'm just drinking water right now. Thanks, Anonymous, man. Very cool. Thank y'all for the kind words. Really appreciate it. Again, just live because there's stuff to talk about. Oh my God, stuff to talk about on the markets that was developing today. Okay, what's another one? So ZRX, you know, this was a double bottom. It was a potential double bottom, but then it ended up just kind of becoming, and this is log. All right, it kind of became a dragon, right? Like the head and the foot and the hump and the second foot, and then, you know, the neckline of the dragon. It broke out, but then sold off, only to make a higher low to back test that geometrical trend line that was once resistance as support, and now it is rising to the upside, man. And if it was to do things for real, it would come up to the neckline and test it 31.46 cents, and if it could break, you know, you're gonna have resistance up here at 35.5 cents, but you know, the measured move of the pattern would put you above that at 36.55 cents. Okay, ZRX. Look, you had like bullish divergence on the oscillators, and then you made a slightly higher low than your previous low, and had like one little scrubby wick of negative Momo. So like if Bitcoin continues to rise, the altcoins will most likely rise too. It's pretty cool, man. Hey, what's up, Grub Man? Kevin Grubbed it. Can we look at this? Can we look at that? Wait, no, seriously. Can I get real, like serious answers on what my face? These are the answers: 12, 21, 26, 54, 18. You understand these are not that serious of answers. Okay. So what's another one, man? What's another S coin that kind of showed some pretty cool stuff on the 4 hour if you were paying attention? Oh, wait, what? ONT to USD? Bullish divergence, man, on the oscillators after a pretty nice pullback. Really nice run and then a really nice pullback. So bullish divergence, bullish dragon in an uptrend. Okay, so high to low. You exceeded the 236, the shallowest retrace, and so golden zones between 90 cents and 98 cents. But on a dragon, pretty much like, the best bang for your buck, like target is the 618, the golden retrace. I mean, I almost just want to call this the golden dragon, dude. Because the target's always the golden retrace. Heck yeah, man. 98 cents. It's all on Bitcoin, though. You know how that is, right? What happened to the music? I can't even hear anything, dude. Is anyone even there, man? Chat. Well, let me change something to it. I might have to. 99.32 on Bitcoin. Oh my god, man. And just like that, we were that close to 10K again. Oh yeah, by the way, it is it has not happened yet at all. But the poll, right? The poll, bear flag or Bart Simpson for Bitcoin. You haven't squared up yet. Square up's around 10,150 or so. And bear flag is definitely so like there's a chance here everyone could lose, right? Because it's not a bear flag. No way. But it might not be a Bart Simpson. We'll see. But it does look likely that the Bart Simpson will happen, but you have to reach the square up. And that's the catch of if you vote Bart Simpson, you got to square up. So if it doesn't get there, everyone in the poll loses. Okay. Awesome. You hear music? Okay, sweet. Because I like the decibels, man. Sorry, I'm losing it. Just wanted to go live to give you a look. And this is like really educational stuff, man, because this can be applied in any market. Oh, by the way, right, you see it, the chart, man, candles. Well, not here, but like kind of in there. Prodigal Taurus got this for me. It's awesome. So it's like educational, where you can look at this and be like, okay, I understand now. It's like, what is the criteria for a dragon? It's just like to have that. It's like the head, and then kind of the neck, and then the foot, and then the hump, and then you have to have a second foot, and it's the X, A, B, C stuff to D, and you're just playing like it's like a premature harmonic, but I guess some people could call it an actual harmonic in itself. And you're just playing, like a lot of times you'll see this over and over and over again, no matter what market you're in, where like that second low has divergence, and that's C, or that's A to B and B to C, right? You're gonna start, like, if you really are watching markets and analyzing tons and tons of assets, doesn't matter what it is, you're just gonna keep seeing XA BCD, XA BCD all over the place. And again, A to B and B to C, you see divergence over and over and over again. Okay. So what? I mean, I think like Litecoin, Ethereum had stuff going on. Look at this, man. This is Litecoin. Look at this bust out, dude. XABCD stuff. This is a deep retrace. I mean, 886. This is busting out right now. This is up almost 6% Litecoin, dude.
Bruh.
Dude, this is like, can you fucking hear me, man?
Bruh.
Oh my God. So it's busting, right? It's busting, and like that high right there, that double bottom, low double bottom, right effing here, 79.45. Scale in, make sure it's perfect. Yeah, that's like perfect. So it's almost there, man. So you break this, good chance you could see 83.35. Wow. Nice. Litecoin t-shirt sales are booming. Let's go, man. Let's go. Okay, so someone was asking about BAT. Oh my god, XRP. Didn't really mess with this one. Yes, okay, it's a dragon, right? It's a dragon. We got another dragon. Like, I didn't look at every single one. XRP, I was like, whatever, dude. Hey, XRP, right now. Breaking out. You know, we can get... This is here, but gosh dang it, dudes. Let me just pull it back a little bit so you can see the actual pattern. This is a dragon. Yes. What's your target on next? My god, man. It's like happening like, you know, this previous 4 hours. Dude, your target's like 31.4 cents. If it's to play out. I mean, that's what you would want though, right? Where it is, you would want to see it 31.5 cents, 31.4 cents. And you get a secondary target of like 32.8 cents. Okay, you were warned. If it plays out, you know why. But remember, this down sloping resistance here is big time, dude. This is the supply line of the descending broadening wedge pattern. You gotta break above that. 28 point, it's pretty much 29 cents. You gotta just break that or you're screwed. But here you go, man. Potential trade setup and kind of a bullish trend. Look, bullish divergence. Hello. Had it up to here with bullish divergence today on altcoins. Yes, sir. Impending price action reversal to the upside. Well, it's starting, dude. There's your XRP. Get wrecked. In a positive way. Someone was asking about something earlier about a dragon, and it's like, I can't hear you over the dragon that's already been looked at. But it's not just that. I think the dragon itself could be coupled with Hendelman. So the handle was a dragon man. Dude, you could say descending broadening wedge. We'll see. It's on Bitcoin. Bat screw without Bitcoin. Litecoin, Ethereum, EOS, ONT, XRP, ZRX, Engine. They're all screwed without Bitcoin. So, hey, they're great setups for now. But there always is a chance that Bitcoin could just destroy everything and be like, nah, just kidding, dump. You got to keep that in mind on every trade setup on these S coins. As long as you know we're cool, man. XRP target. Oh my god, I literally showed it. I hope to god it was delay, right? No beard. Yeah, no beard. Got rid of it. Is gone, man. So I don't know if there were any more, really. I think there were. Dude, we could just keep looking and finding dragons and all these other ones, right? All these other patterns. ICX, kind of a weird one, right? Kind of a... This one does look different, but you think that there's like this definite sell wall, 43.8 cents. It's almost like inverse head and shoulders. It's like a momentum shifting type of pattern, right? Where you can see the lows, the lowest low, and then all of a sudden you got higher lows coming on again. And you're just like, you run up, you hit a resistance clear as day, right? You sell off. You run up, you hit the same type of resistance, you sell off again. But each time, it's like a higher low. So it's almost like at this point, you know, I mean, just from here to here, it's like ascending triangle type price action, right?
A very welcome surprise tonight. We appreciate it.
Is that a joint?
Let's go. Thank you, Jim. Appreciate it. I mean, what a nice surprise from crypto. It was doing, I mean, it literally was doing things today it was like, whoa, man. I mean, this is kind of like, the coinciding variables you're looking for. But again, it was like Bitcoin it was showing the divergence. It kind of looked a little sketchy. But whatever. I think the altcoins looked a little better than Bitcoin, in my opinion, just a little bit. So anyway, yeah, Neo's up almost 5%. All right, anyway, do we want to show it? Look, you see at the sell wall, it's pretty. I mean, you could look at it either way. It's all bullish, like, right? Inverse head and shoulders, or cut with handle, or ascending triangle on the tail end. Like, it's all like bullish. So it all is saying the same thing, up. If Bitcoin holds up, this will go up too, probably. Not get wrecked. As long as we're cool with that, that notion. Here we are. Kind of looking at Neo like it was a descending triangle of some sort. Different, a little different. Oops, what the heck? So it's like Adam and Eve double bottom, but then there was like a mini double bottom within the double bottom. All right, well, it's rallying and it's about to hit a supply line, a potential supply line at like 1446. So that is a potential reversal point. If you break it, you probably will go up to 1546 up here. I mean, you could look at it like a potential double bottom. And yeah, these were areas because this actually didn't have. So on the MACD, it was diverging very well, but I guess it started to in the end, right? Yeah, look, in the end, the RSI on the mini double bottom showed the bullish divergence. Nice. So it's playing out. Okay, so break it and then run up to 1546. If you break that, you'll probably see 1669. Targets. Boom. No breakout. Let it be known. No breakout on Neo yet. It's hard to trust the weekend price action. Absolutely. Like we said, right, on Bitcoin, it has not made higher highs yet. It is still consolidating, still making lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so it is time. Bitcoin now kind of on, if this is the rally, it must eventually break above 10,235. And then it must, after that, break above 10,383, 10,400. Okay. Are we cool? Everyone get what's going on here? Neo is different. Different pattern. I don't know, man. Was I looking at... I don't think I looked at Cardano. I did look at... Oh my god. Look at that. Freaking dragon, dude.
Bruh.
Look here. Look, listen.
Sweet mother of Jesus. Bullish divergence. Oh my god. And a dogged man that did 1/8, which is 6.580 cents. And if you want a secondary target, well, man, come on up to 6.864 cents. That's it. Cardano. Whoa, man. So look at this. So I don't even know. Someone tipped me to look at this yesterday, and it's like, okay, I guess it's still up on my screen. Look at that. Still this, with Bitcoin rallying so well, all these alts rallying too. Look at this, man. It's like doing nothing. Still just distribution going on. Like this, it's kind of like Benito coin, BCN, where it's like huge bump, man. And it's just like, sure, it could hold here. This is bad. This is bearish price action, I think, man. So kind of setting up for maybe lower prices. Yeah. We'll see that. It could just braid the upside because it's like, I guess, in a bullish trend. just remember this scammy looking crap on VCN. Anyway. It was making waves again. Oh my god, it's the whole crypto market doing it, man. It's not like this EOS hands in pants guy is now all of a sudden like, oh my god, we're amazing. No. Bitcoin goes up, everything else goes up too. For the most part. You get it. Did I look at Tron Connect today? I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, I did. Oh my god, dude. I looked at all of this crap, dude. Okay, so we got a breakout. We had bullish divergence. We had a falling wedge. You could call it a dragon too. Whatever you want. Call it a dragon, call it a wedge. You could take, I mean, there's 2.2 cents, 2.3 cents, 2.5 cents targets on Tron Connect. Huge run up, nice pullback, a nice bullish pattern that developed in a bull trend. Wow. Tell me when to buy. Or should I buy now? Dude, I mean, like, how drunk am I? He's asking. I mean, you tell me. Are the analysis I'm giving, are the analyses subpar? I don't know, man. Been live now for like 40, almost 43 minutes. If you enjoy the live stream, hit the like button, that bell, that sub. Again, this was just, so you know, 99.09 on Bitcoin. Tron Connect's still above that 200 moving average, just barely. It was holding, it was trying, it was below it for a minute, but accumulation is breaking the upside. Wow. I did not look at BCH today. Not on the 4 hour, not at all. Yeah, same thing. Dragon. Yeah, definite dragon, dude. Look. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look, whatever, dude. Up here. Like, to there. You get it, right? I mean, you get what a dragon is. So, it doesn't have to be the wick. It's just right here, at the peak. So, he broke out, and the target's on Bitcoin Cash. If Bitcoin holds up, I mean, you're looking like $442. I mean, these are like just now breaking out. And I mean, they had broken out already and they were at much lower prices. Not much, but they were at lower prices, lower risk areas. Divergence. Oh my God, on both oscillators. Get out of here. Literally. Wow. Get out of here to the upside. Beautiful. Gotta get some food, man. I'll stick around for about I don't know, a few more minutes. But like, this was it, man. Like, you get it, right? I came on for a reason because it was just too amazing. All these different looking patterns, and again, I don't care what happens. It's super educational because this is like something you can apply to any market. It's all the same in terms of how you set up and how you look for coinciding variables, and you have low risk, high reward opportunity situations. That's what it's about, man. It's beautiful. It's sore, man. Garlic breath. What? You're waning? Yeah, thank y'all for coming out, for real. It's been a good night, man. It's been a real good night. And Bitcoin's doing things to the upside, man. Breaking above 96.50, very, very good. And breaking above 99.50, just as important, if not more important. I mean, now you've done it. So it's like, all right, so no more effing around down here. Like, break this, man. Like, break it and then close the week above it. We got time left. We got 1 day left. We got 20. I mean, I don't know. It's not 23 hours. 23 hours, like, for me, because it just hit, like, 1 a.m. here. So there is time for Bitcoin to follow through and break above this to close the week. And closing the weekly is like, oh my God, the goalie got it, dude. But for now, all you have is a long-legged doji indecision candle. Meh. Having this candle close above this area would be wonderful. The heck, hold on. This area would be great. Holding on to positive momentum on the weekly, right at 60. Like to Jesus, man. Come on, dude. Price action. Let's back test it as support somehow, and let's go, dude. Let's go. Like we were many times before when legends were made.
Have a look at rock for me, please.
R-O-K? R-O-C-K. Thanks for the vibes. Good job. Sorry, that's from Billy Madison. Oh my God. We've liked it. That's dead. Here you go. Range bound, it seems. So you like, long-term uptrend for show. Great consolidation period. Lasted from November of 2017 all the freaking way to November of 2019. You kidding me? 2 years of bullish consolidation after a stupendous history. You've broken out, and now it seems you're range bound between an old support resistance area, with the top being all-time highs. You have certainly not broken that yet. Don't get cocky. But the higher low is nice. And breaking this could be very good. I mean, there are different ways to Fibonacci this, where you could go high to low. I mean, this, you just go high point to low point, and you could get the serious targets. And we're talking 228, 238, 252, the 1618. Yeah. But again, like that hasn't happened yet. So it's great to have targets to the upside in preparation, if the breakout does happen. But if the market dumps and we go into a recession, correction, whatever happens, then, it's not going to break out. I mean, like, if there are not enough buyers too, if there's not enough demand, if there's too much supply, if there's a mix of both, then it would sell off here. So, hey man, again, you just got to think, it's a really nice uptrend. That's really nice. That's extremely nice consult. I mean, I remember AMD doing stuff like this before it went way, insane, dude. AMD, same thing. So, gapped up on earnings. It seems like with this kind of double bottom here, like you're not going to fill the gap, which that could mean that this is like a breakaway gap. So again, if it's a breakaway gap, that means these are certainly viable targets. Who knows, man? Just got to wonder when everything's going to come crashing down because of how unsustainable everything is for real on the stock market. It is, dude. Just remember, hey, we like making gains and all that, but dude, it's going to be a bad recession when it does happen, and the crash will be awful too. But we just don't know, man. Keep your head on a swivel. All right. How was that, dude? Was that okay? All the people just coming in here just spamming. Oh my God, help me, dude. Help me. You've looked at like everything tonight, but dang, dude, look at this, dude. Like, just relax, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. Whew. B chain, yeah, we can look at B chain, whatever. So V chain like ended up like making, you know, I had the idea of the dragon. It just like was too, it played out a little bit, but just it ended up just not being large enough a pattern. It turned into something much more matured, and it's the same thing. It's a friggin' dragon, man. Right? A low, a lower low. The divergence was there. Just come on. A high point to low point. You know, target. Right, 7.5 tenths of 1 penny. Oh my God, it's embarrassing. Second target could be 7.9 tenths of 1 cent. God. Yeah, dragon. Bullish dragon. Okay. I don't know what that means. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. That was it. I kind of came into this stream, you know, so I just started blasting, man. Blasting analysis of these coins I was looking at earlier today. And now we're back, and it's starting to play out. It's starting to look pretty nice. Nice, dude. Noise. Okay. Good amount. I dig it, dude. I really do dig it. So it's all on this one right here, dude. Bitcoin. Excellent, CryptoLand. Fantastic. Oh, excuse me. Keep burping, dude. I guess it's just I drank, man. I don't know. Nah, I wouldn't. I don't think I would touch T-God, dude. Nah, that's terrible, dude. I don't even know, like, it's terrible. T-God, really? It looks like it's bankrupt, man. Like, what the heck? $10, yeah, man. 55 pennies. All right. No, dude. No thanks. I mean, just no. Because I have so much freedom to find a chart that doesn't look like that. Doesn't look like Black Plague. Okay? No, I'm good, dude. But best of luck if you are willing. I like CGC because its chart doesn't look miserable like that. It's an overall bull trend, man.
Is that a joint?
Good morning from Sweden, Mitch. Chainlink still locking good.
It's locking good. Locking good, dude. Thanks so much. Bug live 420, dude. Alright. And then. Give me out. What the heck, dude? Oh, yeah. We look at it in log. That's right. Yeah. Even on the 4 hour. Hold on a sec. No, it's off like that. I mean, that's like pretty much like the way you would have it, and it like failed to break out. But dude, look at this. Just like low, higher low. Now kind of like a high low again, hitting that heart line. Bouncing off. And yeah, dude, look. I mean, it's the same type of stuff where... Hello? Oh, they're all doing it. Oh, man. And breaking out of their dragons. The dragons are hatching, chat. It's like Game of effing Coins. Or Game of Thrones, excuse me. It's not like Game of Coins. It is like Game of Coins. Yeah. No, absolutely no. What are you talking about? Bearish divergence? You mean bullish divergence? Yeah, everywhere. Lots of it. There's your link, dudes. Link in log. Wow. And an uptrend. If you could ever believe it. Okay. So, chat, I've been live for about an hour now. It's been fun. I just wanted to show y'all what was going on. That's it, dude. Fun times. So I'll just be back tomorrow for the weekly candle close stream. Dude, we got an epic battle going on. Keep your eye on it. 99.60. Break it. Hold it. Close tomorrow. 6 p.m. No, 7 p.m. Eastern. Close above it then. And we could be kings. So I'll be back. Thanks so much for the likes, love, support, the contributions. Y'all amazing. Until next time, respect the TA.
nuggets.